If you're looking for beautiful outdoor accent lights, I would highly recommend these ones. Today, my husband and I are going to be changing out our front porch lights. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. We're going to install them for you and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. I love the look of these lights already, and they're not even installed yet. These are packaged very nicely to protect them during shipping. Inside the box, you are going to have 2 lights. The mounting brackets are on the back. You're going to have to take those off. And you're going to have some wire nuts as well as screws to attach the mounting brackets and the instruction manual. Light bulbs are not included. You will need your own standard light bulbs for this. In order to remove the mount, you do need to remove these beauty caps first. Go ahead and remove your existing lights if you have existing lights. When working with any type of electrical product, please make sure that the electricity to the fixture that you are working on is off before you get started. Once you have the existing lights off, you're going to install the new mounts. The white wire connects to the white wire and the black wire connects to the black wire, and then the ground wire connects to the green screw. You may need to adjust those screws so that the beauty caps cover them completely. There are little washers on the behind the beauty cap that you need to put back on and then screw the beauty cap down. Then you're going to add your light bulb. There's a max 100 watt. These lights are not dusk to dawn. You do have to turn them on using the switch, and we'll come back at night and see how they look. They look really great at night too.